Hello and welcome. In a tragic air accident, India's top military commander, General Bipin Rawat, passed away on 8 December. The incident took place when a helicopter carrying General Rawat crashed shortly after takeoff at Coonoor. The crash killed 13 people on board, including General Rawat's wife and other officers and soldiers. The 63-year-old General Bipin Rawat was a highly decorated officer and the senior-most serving soldier of India. He was currently serving as the Chief of Defence Staff or CDS of India. General Rawat was born in Uttarakhand in a Fauji family which had been serving in the Indian Army for multiple generations. His father, Lakshman Singh Rawat, also served as a Lieutenant General in the Army. General Rawat studied at the National Defence Academy, Pune, and the Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. While graduating from the Indian Military Academy, he was awarded the Sword of Honour for the Best Cadet. He was commissioned into the Indian Army in 1978 in the same unit as his father, the 11 Gorkha Rifles. He was highly experienced at the counterinsurgency warfare. During his 43 years in service, he has served in some of the most difficult terrains of India, including the Northern and Eastern Commands. He was instrumental in reducing the militancy in the Northeast. One of the highlights of his career was the cross-border surgical strike into Myanmar in 2015. The Indian Army successfully eliminated 38 militants in that operation. The mission was conducted under the supervision of Bipin Rawat. He was also part of the planning for 2016 Balakot surgical strikes, in which the Indian Army went across the LOC into Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. Rawat was the Vice Chief of Indian Army at that time. He was supervising the operation from military headquarters in New Delhi. General Rawat always made it clear that while India wanted peace, but if provoked, his men would not hesitate to use force at the border and across border too. General Bipin Rawat took charge as the Chief of Indian Army in 2017. He stood up to Chinese pressure at Doklam, near Bhutan, for 73 days. Finally, China had to withdraw the area in August 2017. During his service, General Rawat had been decorated with various awards including the Param Vishisht Seva Medal, Uttam Yudh Seva Medal, Ati Vishisht Seva Medal, Vishisht Seva Medal, Yudh Seva Medal and Sena Medal. He was inducted to the International Hall of Fame by United States Army. He was also the Honorary General of Nepalese Army. On 1st January 2020, General Bipin Rawat was appointed as India's first Chief of Defence Staff or CDS. As CDS, he was the single-point advisor to the government on all military matters. Tri-services organizations related to the space and cyber warfare were under him. He was also a part of India's Nuclear Command Authority that controls and decides the use of nuclear weapons by India. Known for his friendly and jovial nature, General Rawat had studied media and communication and was a favorite among the journalists. He has authored several articles on national security and military leadership for various journals and publications. He was also a PhD for his research on military media strategic studies. The ever-smiling soldier who escaped an earlier helicopter crash in Nagaland in 2015 would always be remembered as a visionary military leader who initiated reforms and modernization in Indian Defence Forces. As India's first Chief of Defence Staff, he was currently working on the process of integrating the existing commands of the Army, Air Force and Navy to create theatre commands for better coordination and operational synergy. Instead of 17 commands at present, distributed between Indian Army, Navy and Air Force, General Rawat planned to have one unified command, each for Eastern, Western and Northern fronts. His untimely death is a huge loss to India. It creates uncertainty on the ambitious plan of creation of theatre commands. Endeavour salutes the hero who always had India in his heart and laid down his life in the line of duty for his motherland. Warriors never die. Travel in peace, General Rawat.